I am exploring learning on YouTube and any other apps, so I'll be showing to you my very first YouTube video introduction. Please watch! This is now my very simple YouTube intro video. Let's start the edit. Click plus, choose 16:9 layout. First to do is to get a background photo there. For instance, I'm gonna choose this pinkish color with hearts. Click check. And then try to drag it to the right to see how much time will you have for your introductory video. Shall we say 7 seconds there. So we have now the background. Next is to put overlay. Layer, choose what would you want. I want to have the text first, so I will click on letter T for my name. Hello, I'm Juvie. Thank you for watching. Please be safe, everyone. Thank you. Okay. Next is to change the color so it's visible and clear. A lot of colors are there. And the font, I like this dancing script bold. Click and then check. So tap this T Juvie Pamunag below to edit, to reposition it. Check first and then tap and reposition it here. Okay, so that's enough, and then check. I'll drag it to the background time, and then there. Next is to add animation. So as you can see here, we have 3 kinds of animation. We have in animation, overall animation, and out animation. First, shall we have in animation? This will show how your overlay appears in the beginning. Choices are here. I like this letter by letter. And then you can choose the time for the duration. Let's try 2.5 and then check. Play. Juvie Pamunag. There. We can add also overall animation for your name, like it blinks, it flickers, or pulse. Okay, I think I like pulse. Check. Next is the out animation here. A lot of choices for out animation, but I choose none. All right. Next is the photo. So check on layer and media. So let's look for the photo that I prepared. Screenshots folder and then this photo. So this picture needs cropping, so I have to scroll down and tap on cropping to crop this photo, this picture, and here. Check. So after cropping, you can drag. Here, remember that we have the text overlay here at the right side, so let's position this here. like that. You can reposition it up or down or sideward. And then in animation, converge. Okay, let us make that 1.5 and then play. So make this go with the background and the text there, and check play. This is very simple. We can choose effect on our picture, overall animation, like pulse maybe, or flicker, or blink, or none, right? Just make it simple. And then the next thing is adding audio. Let's make this faster. Music, assets, stay a minute, this one. There, check. Oh, it's not. Let's do it again. Music, stay, click, plus. So there you have it. We're done with our edit. And after this, we can now export and save. So for saving, click this upload here at the right top corner. That's it. And then HD 720 is okay. Hi, export. Click, and then that will be saved and be put on your gallery. So that's it. Thank you for watching. That's my simplest video cover or intro. Thank you so much.